Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to do a quick guide on how to fix a wrong deposit and payment in QuickBooks Online. You see, to do this, the first thing you need to do is to find the incorrect deposit. So go to the chart of accounts, find the bank account where deposit was made, click view register, locate the incorrect deposit entry, delete or edit the deposit. To delete it, simply click on deposit entry, then click delete. Confirm by clicking yes. You will then need to re-enter the deposit correctly, and to edit it, click on the deposit entry, then click edit. Make the necessary corrections to the dates, amounts or accounts, click save and choose, and close actually. Now, if it was an incorrect payment that is not yet deposited, what you do is find the incorrect payment, click the add new and select receive payment. Look for the incorrect payment in the list or by searching the customer's name. You can alternatively go to sales and then all sales and find the payment. So you can edit the payment by clicking on the incorrect payment to open it. Make necessary corrections to the customer, invoice applied to, payment method or amount. Click save and close. Now, for an incorrect payment already deposited, what you do is that you remove the payment from the deposit by going to the chart of account, find the bank account where deposit was made, click view register. Locate the deposit containing the incorrect payment, click on the deposit to open it. Uncheck the box next to the incorrect payment, click save and close. You can also edit the payment by going back to plus new, clicking on receive payment or sales, and then selecting all sales and find the incorrect payment. Make necessary corrections, click save and close it. Now you can redeposit the corrected payment if necessary by clicking plus new, then you click on bank deposit. Select the correct bank account. Check the box next to the corrected payment to include it in the deposits. Click save and close. It's as simple as that. Now, if a deposit has been reconciled, you might need to undo the reconciliation before deleting or editing the deposit. Be cautious while doing this, as it can affect your financial records. As I'm making corrections, you will need to reconcile the account again. If the payment was applied to the wrong invoice for the same customer, you might be able to correct it directly from the receive payment screen by selecting the correct invoice. For more complex situations such as transferring a payment to a different customer, you might need to use a journal entry. Now, this guide provides just the simplest steps. Depending on the specific of your error, there might be variations. If you are unsure, it is always a good idea to consult with an accounting professional. Hope you found this video helpful.